In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to add tax on Squarespace, whether you're just starting out or looking to update your store's tax setup. First, go to the Squarespace website and log into your account. You can easily do this by clicking Continue with Google and selecting the account you want to use. Once logged in, head to your Squarespace account dashboard, where you'll see all your websites listed. Select the specific site where you want to set up your tax rules. Inside your site's backend, click on Settings, then go to the Selling section. This is where all your e-commerce tools live, including payments, shipping, and tax settings. This part is essential for those looking to configure automated tax rates in Squarespace. Now, click on Taxes. Here's a simplified breakdown of how to set up everything correctly. Step 0. Check eligibility. Ensure you're on a business, commerce, or advanced plan. Remove any manual tax settings, tax jar, or third-party tax rules from PayPal/Stripe. Step 1. Enable automated taxes. Go to Settings, Taxes, Calculation Method, Automated. Step 2. Add business info. Complete the setup wizard with your legal business name, type, business, individual, tax address, and optional EIN. Click Save. Step 3. Set default product tax code. Click Add Product Tax Code and select the one matching your main product type, like General Tangible Goods or Digital Goods. Save it. Step 4. Add US state registrations. In the Taxes panel, choose the US states where you're tax registered. Select Nexus type, e.g. Physical Presence, Economic Nexus, and add each. Step 5. Choose Tax Display Method. Under Applying Tax, select either Add at Checkout, most common in US. Step 6. Optional product-specific tax codes. For better accuracy, go to Inventory, Product, Organization, Product-specific tax code. Pick a more specific tax category, e.g. clothing, SaaS. Final checkpoint. Return to Settings, Taxes to confirm. Green collecting badge, state registrations, default tax code. Run a test checkout to verify accuracy. Using this method, you can confidently manage Squarespace sales tax setup for online stores, whether you're selling physical goods or digital products. But remember, tax regulations can be complex, so it's always smart to consult with a professional to make sure your store remains compliant. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more e-commerce tips on how to charge tax on Squarespace Store and other must-know settings.